How to refund Xbox Game Pass subscriptions. First thing first, you want to head over to any of the web browser and then move into Microsoft.com. It will land you on this official page of Microsoft. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, click on the services and subscriptions at the top. Enter the password of your Microsoft account. Once you have entered, tap on Sign In. It will land you on this interface. It will show you all of the sites in which you have the subscriptions. You can see Xbox Game Pass over here. Simply tap on Manage. The option of Cancel will be visible to you. Simply click on it. Two options will be visible to you. Choose whichever options that will be suitable for you and then click on Next. Once you are ready, click on Confirm Cancellation. Once the subscription has been cancelled, the option of refund will be visible to you. Simply click on it and then you'll be able to get your refund and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get refund from Xbox Pass subscriptions. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.